What is up, YTPC? Andrew here, aka Bluefin Piper, coming at you inside in the smoking lounge today. Bit of a crazy Saturday afternoon here in New Jersey. Started off nice and sunny and 60 degrees and quickly turned to 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail, and now it's in the 40s and going to be 30 tonight, so go figure. But happy to be back and making a video again, chatting with you guys. I hope everyone out there in the YTPC is doing well. And I hope you guys enjoyed that little introduction. As you saw, we're going to be talking about York Bazaar and Mo and his pipe racks. Well, so let's get right to it. But before I do that, I'm going to just quickly do a little housekeeping. I am smoking one of my first Bluefin pipes. This is my little pot that I made. Got the one of the first ones I did the kind of Castello Sea Rock style rustication on. This little interesting Cumberland stem, and in it I have some Cup of Joe's 25th anniversary Virginia Burley blend, which I had a chance to do a little first impression video on, and hopefully you guys have had a chance to look at that. If not, you can check it out. But let's talk about pipe racks. All right, so about a couple weeks ago, Mo from York Bazaar reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in reviewing one of his pipe racks, and wrote back to him, told him I would love to, be delighted to. So he was kind enough to send one to me, and I have it here. And I thought what we would do is just give you guys a kind of look at a step-by-step process of how the box arrives, how the pipe rack arrives, the pieces, putting it together, and what it looks like, finished product, and give you some impressions that I have from the pipe rack itself after I put it together, and hopefully put it to some good use. So we'll get right to that, but before I do, just a little background. I know you guys probably have, most of you probably seen some of the videos of others talking about these pipe racks. You can find them on yorkbazaar.com, and I will put a link in the bucket below. I think the standard 14 pipe rack retails for $49.99, and Mo has that's with free shipping in the US and Canada, I believe. And he's got some deals where if you buy 3 or 6 or more, he knocks some off the price. And I will say, just from what I've seen, most of the pipe racks that I have today just are the kind of the standard 6-pipe pipe rack you can get on Amazon or whatever, and they do their job okay. They're nothing special, but those retail for 30 bucks. I just checked recently, actually. So to get a 14-pipe double-tiered pipe rack that you can mount on the wall for $50 shipped is definitely a fantastic deal. But let's take a look at it and see what we think. So. All right, so here we go, guys. This is the box that arrived from Mo, and extremely fast shipping, by the way. Mo shipped it out 2-day shipping, and I got it immediately after he had sent me the email, and we confirmed. So we got it's about a 1.5-foot box, very light. And what I'm going to do is switch around the video and show you guys kind of opening up the box, the pieces, and probably maybe do some fast time video of putting the rack together, and then we'll come back and chat a little bit once it's put together. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, got it unpacked here. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, and we've also got some nice hardware and a screwdriver that comes with it, as well as simple directions. Well, let's see how simple they are. All right. And I'm going to speed this up for you guys, but as you can see, some time here. I'll show you how long it takes me, about 450 right now. So let's see how long it takes to put this bad boy together. All right, cue the music. Let's go. All right, guys, we're back. And there you go. It was, let's see, started about 4:50. It's 5:07, so about 17 minutes, less than 20 minutes for me to put together this rack. And I'm sure those of you out there, I wanted to do it with the, with what Mo had given us. Sure, if you had a power drill, it would have been much faster to put this together. I guess I had to kind of, as expected, at all, if any part of that's tricky at all putting this together is just to remember when you put the top on, after putting the bottom onto the sides, when you put the top on, just make sure to leave it loose so that you can slide in the rack holders here and the middle shelf, which slide in. But if you tighten it up too much, you won't be able to get those in, but that's pretty standard. So yeah, so there you go. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm going to switch back the video here. Guys, we're back. As you can see, got the rack all put together. There we go. All right. And again, holds 7 on the top and 7 on the bottom. Yeah, put together very easy. All the components, Mo's giving you all the screws, including the molly and the screws for wall mounting. Looks like you have you got the wall mounting brackets on the back here. You mount it on the wall. And I will say, I really like the fact that, I think others have said this, but the fact that it's an angled holder for your pipes, and you've got the base here. So really can help you, allows you to fit pipes of all different sizes in here. So, and that's definitely nice, because I know some of the other pipe racks, including the ones I have, are a little difficult for some of your larger pipes or for your Canadians and versus your smaller stubby pipes. And it looks like this one's going to do a nice job with all kinds. So that's definitely a plus. And again, we're getting into the holiday season, so it's a great time to be asking for something like this from Mo. And so hopefully, if you guys are looking for a pipe rack, this would be an excellent choice. And I'm going to put some pictures also at the end of this video so you guys can see the rack with some pipes in it as well. And so thank you again, Mo. I really appreciate the opportunity to get a chance to review your pipe rack, and I'm looking forward to using it. And make sure you guys all go check out YorkBazaar.com and reach out to Mo. And until next time, I'm going to wish you guys all tight lines, happy smokes, take care.